Imagine if you could turbocharge your learning with the power of AI. What if you could extract, summarize, and visualize information from any YouTube video in seconds? Welcome to the future of learning. Welcome to VoxScript and Skrive, GPT-4's power learning plugins. Hi there, today we will be your guide in the fascinating world of generative AI. For the focus of today's episode, we're diving into two incredible tools that are streamlining the way we learn and understand information. Meet VoxScript and Skrive. VoxScript is a GPT-4 plugin that can pull and summarize data from YouTube videos, while Skrive takes that data and turns it into visual diagrams. Together, they're a power duo that makes learning faster, easier, and more engaging. Let's start with VoxScript. Say you're watching a video on time management strategies, and there's a lot of information to digest. With VoxScript, you can extract the key points, summarize them, and even get a transcript of the video. It's like having your personal AI tutor. Now, let's bring in Skrive. Skrive takes the summarized data from VoxScript and turns it into a visual diagram. It's a powerful way to visualize and understand complex information. It's like having your personal AI graphic designer. Together, VoxScript and Skrive are transforming the way we learn. They're not just tools, they're your trusted allies in learning, helping you understand complex topics, remember information, and see the big picture. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, VoxScript and Skrive are here to turbocharge your learning journey. Join me as we explore the future of learning with GPT-4's power learning plugins. If you're excited to learn more about VoxScript, Skrive, and the world of generative AI, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, the future of learning is here, and it's powered by AI.